Good morning from Sanur here in lovely Bali. This morning we've decided to come out to a bit of a hidden gem here in Sanur. It's called Big Garden Corner. It's a place that we've been to a few years ago and we were really impressed with it. It's a beautiful garden, lots of interesting sculptures and things to look at and places to chill out. So we'd love to show you around here today. It did cost us 150,000 rupiah each to get in, so that is $30 Australian for two of us. The price has doubled since last year. Good old inflation for you. This beautiful elephant family behind me is from thousands of recycled soda cans that were consumed by visitors between October 2016 and March 2017. Pretty impressive. You see Sprite cans and Coca-Cola cans. Yeah, and look how big it is.
Biology, don't know much about a science book, don't know much about the French I took, but I do know that I love you, and I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this would be.
How beautiful is this little archway of heart flowers? So pretty. There's also this very pretty butterfly garden. Some beautiful butterflies.
But I do know one and one is two. And if this one could be with you, what a wonderful world this would be. Oh, now I don't claim to be an A student, but I'm trying to be. Oh, but maybe by being an A student, baby, I could win your love for me. Don't know much about history, don't know much biology, don't know much about a science book, don't know much about the French I took, but I do know that I love you, and I know that if you love me too.
The entry price also gives you 30,000 ringgit each in credit, so about $3 each in credit that you can use at the cafe. So we've chosen to get a couple of local Bali gelato ice creams to cool off. I love all of the beautiful mural walls around here. It reminds me very much of our times through Thailand and Cambodia. It's very beautiful. So yeah, definitely a beautiful place to come and explore, and there's still plenty to see. So that's it for us here at Big Garden Corner in Sanur. I don't know that it's worth the inflated entry price of $15 per person. It was cheaper 4 years ago when we came, but we do understand that Bali is recovering from tourism, so you know, we're happy to help support these local businesses, especially here in Sanur, which doesn't get as much tourism as other parts of Bali. It's a great place to come, spend an hour or two wandering around, and awesome for some great Insta-worthy photos, for sure. Definitely some unique locations. We've decided to come down to the beachfront here in Sanur to have some lunch and have a lovely stroll after our morning adventures at the Big Garden Corner. We're here on the beach at the lovely Kayumanis restaurant. So we haven't been here before, so we're very keen to check it out and see what it's like for lunch today with these beautiful views. Our beautiful food has arrived. We've ordered some yummy tacos. I believe there's a bolognese, a lemon grass chicken and pulled pork, I think it was, tacos. 55,000 rupiah, so very cheap. Some spring rolls. We've got garlic butter chicken wings and barbecue chicken wings. All up maybe 20 bucks, so cheap.
My head and dreams hanging